things to finish up on the car. Can't start the year without the Corvette engine covers. Oh, clips for it don't really work anymore. So I put the in there just to make sure they don't come off. There we go. That should cure our check engine light, right? Check the reservoir. Couldn't tell if it was going down, so I stuck a mark on there. Not exactly a nice mark that I made, but we'll know where the level is at least. Cool. Thanks, Jamie. 25 horsepower. Alright, that's the bottoms. She's still dirty, but what Blake's been doing is we did this on the the 5th gen Camaro we had. I took the exhaust off and straight piped it, and we basically did the same thing to this one, and plus I added the duals for this one. But I had drone. I didn't have drone in the 5th gen, the last Camaro I had, but this one did. So we had to add that J pipe there. So that's that pipe coming out the side, and then it just terminates. And it just basically at certain RPMs I'd get a lot of drone inside the car. It was driving me nuts. It was basically my hour drive home every day at a certain speed that I enjoy. It was droning like crazy. So we put that in there, and that fixed it. So the drone's gone now. But anyways, thought I'll let you hear it. Oh, he shoved it in the couch.
No,
Or is that another one?
Another one.
Oh.
He's got two. No, run. Come here. There's more. Come here, drop it.
You got two?
Come here.
Did you get two in his mouth?
Yes. Sit. Come here. Oh, there's three. Yes.
Oh, got another one.
Come here. Drop it. Drop it. Drop. Okay, that's here. Look, Gopro. Gopro, right here. Gopro.
Trying to keep him all in his mouth.